Hello everyone and welcome to my channel 2H Combo. Today I'm gonna give you an overview of long-term investing. When it comes to money, nobody looks after your finance better than you. So it is everyone's responsibility to make sure your money grows. So the best way is to invest. There are many different ways to invest. You can invest in the real estate, you can invest in stock market, you can of course invest in yourself, right? And exactly, that's why you're watching this video for some of you. Before I go on, I want to share with you a little bit about my experience in the stock market. I started investing since year 2000, but back then I didn't know a whole lot about the market. Therefore, I made money, I lost money, and I went through that cycle a few times. And then I came to realize that I needed to learn more in order to be successful. So I started to attend seminars and also read some books. That was way before YouTube was available, and nowadays you pretty much can go on YouTube and watch whatever you want to learn. Anyway, so even though you attend seminars, you read some books, some seminars and newsletters, they just want to sell their product, and you don't really learn a whole lot. From my experience, what it comes down to is how you control your emotion. Fear and greed can kill your account. So psychology is a big portion of investment, your investment, or trading, whatever it may be that you're in. The skills as far as buying and selling plays a really small role in your success. So you really need to work on your psychology more than anything else. Also, just like everybody else, I started when I was working for a company. So as many of you know, in America, some companies offer you 401k, IRA, all that kind of stuff. So it doesn't mean your money grows by just putting money in your 401k or IRA. You still have to do your share. Knowing how to invest in the market can grow your money. You cannot expect the money grows by itself by just dropping your money in the 401k or IRA, whatever it is. Actually, your money can shrink. I experienced this myself. I had 401k and I put money in there, and I never really looked at it until years later, and then it lost like 30-40%. So that was one. The other one, I also had annuities. Same thing. After several years, the principal went down. You know why? Because the commissions really ate up my principal. So all in all, you really need to have knowledge of the investing. Otherwise, people will just take your money, right? Whether the market was bad or commissions took your money. So that's just a really simple, obvious thing. So let's talk about why do we invest? In the time of uncertainty, we all need to have some backup plan, right? Some savings, investment, stuff like that. So like what we are in right now, it's good to have some backup plan, some savings, so that we can continue to live without having to depend on our jobs, right? Or if you have already been doing successfully without working for somebody, like For me, for example, I've stopped working 5 years ago, so I don't really need work. I can be independently, make money on my own from my investment. So it comes pretty handy in this situation, and I hope everybody has a plan or has some saving so that you're okay for a little bit longer until you figure out what to do. You know what? According to the statistics, they say that 40% of Americans are not able to come up with $400 for an emergency. Imagine that. In this situation, that's really bad for some people, or for those 40%, right? You don't want to be in that number. So it is really necessary to learn how to invest. Of course, you need to save first before you can invest. So what are the reasons that we want to invest? Investing itself is already a saving plan, right? We want to grow wealth. We want to accumulate wealth. We want to be a millionaire someday. Is it possible? It is possible if you do it correctly. All right. What else? Freedom to be your own boss. If you can accumulate enough wealth and you can generate monthly income enough to live on, you don't need to depend on somebody else to take care of you. As I said, nobody takes care of you other than you. Nobody can take care of your money better than you. Okay, so that's my way of looking at it. And of course, you create freedom for yourself. You don't need to go to work. You don't need to be fixed to one place. You can go live wherever you want. You can work as little as you want. It's the freedom that you cannot put a price on. Therefore, I believe everybody needs to know how to invest. That's all I want to share with you for this video. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.